Hello there and welcome to the Power BI selection panel to show hide chart tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can show or hide chart and what is the reason why would you like to do that. And before I show you, just a quick information that this entire sheet where I have posted already a lot of videos related to the Power BI is something you can find, search and jump directly to those tutorials using the link provided, just so that you can easily, based on your learning, you can search and learn it based on your needs. So that is present in the description and you can access it pretty easily. Alright, now let's move on to the Power BI to see why we need this particular feature and how to enable it. Alright, so here we are within Power BI and we have a lot of components over here. We have this vertical bar chart, we have this horizontal bar chart, we have this pie chart and the tables. And sometimes from the perspective of designing the right chart, you want to experiment with multiple charts and work with your end users to define what the right chart is for you. And in that case, sometimes either you create like multiple pages, or within the single page, you can actually have multiple iteration by utilizing the selection panel, so that you don't have to create multiple pages, which increases obviously the size, and the engine will also be loaded based on how much components or how much visualization you are creating. But this will going to give you the selection panel over here, which I'm showing you in a minute, is going to give you the optimized experience. Okay, so to enable this, we will go into the view and we will click on the selection panel. Now, if you see in the selection panel, we have a couple of dashboards like the sales by ship mode. And if I click over here, this chart is selected. Now you want to experiment, let's say, with this chart, and you may want to hide it and see whether another chart is going to make sense or not. So for example, over here, if you see, you can hide this visual and you can create a separate chart here, so for example, you have let's say the matrix chart, or you may have like the multi-row KPI, whatever you want to choose, you can create it over here. And in this way, you don't have to create like multiple pages. And when you are having the meetings with your end users to show them how the visual look like, you can basically enable the multiple visualizations as to what makes sense to place it over here, which goes as per the theme of the entire business dashboard. So this is a helpful scenario where you can experiment with your multiple visualization. You don't have to delete it. Let's say if in a normal scenario, you may need to delete this visualization, but you don't need to delete in using the selection panel. You can just hide this, and once you have hidden it, you can actually going to create another visualization. Let's say if I create a funnel, you will provide the funnel over here and see whether this funnel is going to make sense or not. And if let's say funnel is now present here, so you think that funnel is not making sense, you will hide this and you will enable the previous visualization. So that's why I wanted to show you, because it gives you a lot of flexibility where you don't have to create multiple pages or you don't have to delete the visualization. But by using the selection panel over here, you can hide or show the visualization which makes sense for the dashboard. And this will going to definitely help you when you are having your meetings, the designs meetings with your end users. So that's about it on the selection panel for showing or hiding the information or the visualization on the Power BI page.